Hi guys, today I'm making my slime blindfolded. That's right. Okay, so first put my blindfold on, but first I'm gonna tell you what we need. So I need glue, it's already right there, shaving cream, contact lens solution, food coloring, spoon, of course, to mix, and a bowl. So the first step is to put my blindfold on. Okay, here we go. Making my slime blindfolded. Okay, here you go. Okay, don't know where I'm at right now. Let's go. Just go. Where's the bowl? Oh, there. Is it? Okay, yeah, it is. Okay, so I'm gonna pour all of this in. I feel like I'm missing right now. Ugh. Am I, guys? Comment down below if I am. Hopefully I'm not. Hopefully I'm not. Dude, I literally can't see anything. And is it all in? I think it is, guys. Is this the concrete? Yep. Right there. Okay, now I need the contact lens solution. Wait, now we need the shaving cream. Where is it? Is this it? Where's the bowl again? Okay. I'm gonna put this, I think this is right, that's right in front of me. No, but I'm literally also closing my eyes, so I think this is right. I think I'm doing this right. I think that's good. Is it? Oh, okay, it is. Where's the spoon? Oh! A blindfold came up. Okay, I'm actually closing my eyes, guys. So, yo. It's gonna be hard. Guys, don't worry, I'm also dude, where's the spoon? Nope, that's it. Okay, this is the ball. Hopefully I do this right. Hopefully this turns out good. I actually don't know how this is going to turn out. So, I think it's good. I'm just gonna keep mixing. Okay, Cinco. Wait, then I the food coloring right up here. Is this a? Oh, is this it? Yep. Okay, so nope, that's not the bowl. You guys, I'm not looking. Let's just see. Okay, it's still recording. I didn't look at all, guys. I really promise I didn't. Okay, is it enough? Oh shoot, hopefully no greens on me. Just go. Yep. Is that good? I'm just gonna mix. Hopefully it is. Tell me if it is. Hopefully it is. I'm just, where did I stupid put it? I'm just gonna add a little more. Dude, I think that's it out of the green. Yeah, that's it, I think. I don't know, but Blindfolded. Ow, that hurt. Okay. I'm just gonna keep mixing. Go, go, go. Keep mixing. No, I didn't make up the song. Keep mixing. It's the song I made up. Hopefully it's all mixed up. Okay, I'm just gonna go for it.
That's cool, right?
Yeah, I'm doing a video. I'm blindfolded making slime.
Sweet.
Where's the contact lens solution? Don't tell me, Lily. Okay, I think that's.
I'm sorry, I have to wash.
Where's the bowl? Where's the bowl? Is this a bowl?
Yeah.
Don't tell me, Lily.
Oh, okay.
I'm just gonna add. It'll be coming into slime, turning into slime. Mix. I don't know.
Can I like show your slime? Like hold the camera over your slime. I'm gonna hold the camera over your slime.
Ah! Did I get any on me?
Do you want me to tell you?
Yeah.
Yeah, just on your finger.
Okay, that's good.
Can I hold your camera over your slime?
Yep.
God, there's a spider.
Ah. Is it good? Don't tell me. I'm just gonna. There's a contact lens solution. Where did I put it? Don't tell me. Is this it? I don't know. Yep, this is. Did I get a piece of grass in there?
Do you want me to tell you?
Can you get it out?
There's 2 pieces of glass.
Really?
Got it.
Yes. Okay. I think that's good. Blindfolded. Slime! Did that work? That's a good slime.
You missed the bowl.
Really? I did? And who cares? Who's here?
No one's here.
Like,
That's just me. I'm sorry, I'm really loud.
is that Shane or Brett?
No, me.
Are you walking?
I just was. Now I'm
I miss-
standing up again.
Are you talking to someone?
No, I'm breathing really loudly.
I know you're talking to someone.
See, that's just me.
Did I just touch it? Oh.
Nope, you just touched. Yeah, you touched it.
Am I adding any in? I'm just gonna go with my hands now. This is, yeah, it is.
That's so good, Cole.
Really.
Yep. What is it, Sticky? That's a freaking spider. Ah! Ah! Yeah, I scream like a man all the time. Can you add more solution? It's really sticky and sticky.
Who just knocked on the door?
I don't know. I'm walking to see.
Mom? Is that you?
Yeah.
Get out then. It's actually turning into slime.
You're spilling it over the edge.
Really?
There you go.
Why? Can you add some contact lens solution?
Do you want me to?
No. Give me the contact lens solution. I think I put it right there. And I did. There's a bunch right here. Who are you talking to, Lily? I know you're
breathing hard.
No, you're talking to someone.
I was just talking to Brett, but he's not here.
Now who's here?
It's me.
Mom?
I'm making sure everyone's being nice.
Where are you?
I'm at the front door. Like, look in front of you. Oh, there. Hi. How's slime going?
I'm making a video right now.
I know, don't walk into my house before you clean yourself up.
Yeah, we have a hose up. Where's the contact lens solution? Don't tell me, Lily.
I'm not. I was just wiping the slime off my hands.
I feel some grass in here.
Ooh, it pooped. Ew, it's pooping. Did you see that? Did you see it?
Someone's talking. I can tell.
Yeah, Shane. You just got grass in your slime, but I don't know what it is. You
What?
mixed it. The funny was,
Is he making fluffy slime?
I don't know.
This feels super fluffy.
It's getting there. You just need more things.
Mine's fluffy.
How many bottles of glue did you buy? Yours just dies. Brett, did you go to the dollar store? No. Cole, you missed the bowl.
Really?
Yes.
I can't believe it. I can't believe it. Is it? I think it's actually getting there, right?
Mhm.
Sorta. Sorta not. Or sorta.
Sorta.
Sorta not.
No, it is sort of getting there. You need more solution.
Contact lens solution. What's the name? Lily, is the phone still recording?
This is
Yeah.
cake batter slime.
Frick, the same spider is coming back.
Uh,
That's not a spider.
Mine.
Yours is just like,
Cake batter.
you need like more, like, I don't even know. It's
Where?
just, I don't understand how it looks. Why?
Mine does too.
Shane's is not nearly as good as mine.
Hey, calm down.
Look at this. Brett,
How much glue do you have left?
Brett, look at this.
Jot. That's a new brand. I've never heard of that.
It's a dollar store brand.
hopefully I added not a lot of contact lenses.
I think you need more.
Where are you guys? On this side or this side?
That side. The side you,
Which side?
other side.
This side?
Yes.
So Lily.
What?
Hi, Brett. Is there a bunch of slime on the grass?
Yes.
I hope there's.
Do you guys?
Who cares? I did not expect that was going to happen.
It's all over grass.
Really.
Here, I need to fix the camera.
Is it fixed?
There you go.
I feel like it's actually getting there.
Can you feel? Yeah, it's getting there. It's getting good. I think you just need more solution.
Contact lens.
Yeah. Oh, it's all over the contact lens solution bottle.
What?
Slime. And all over the grass.
Who cares?
And some on your pants.
We're moving.
Not soon.
Who cares? We're still moving.
Yeah, but you'll probably mow it, so it's okay.
Yeah. We just mowed it yesterday.
The front yard?
Yeah.